The Women's Day Gift. The Journey. By Mehwishashraf. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Karachi, Pakistan, there was a young girl named Mehwish. Unlike other girls in her community, Mehwish's parents always supported her dreams and aspirations. They saw the potential in their daughter and encouraged her to pursue her passions. Mehwish's love for literature and language was evident from a young age. She excelled in her studies and was a natural writer. With the unwavering support of her parents, Mehwish pursued a double master's degree in English literature and linguistics. After completing her studies, Mehwish took up a teaching job at a prestigious high school in Karachi. Her students loved her passion for literature and her ability to bring the words to life through her storytelling. Mehwish's love for literature was not just limited to the classroom. She wrote poetry and short stories in her spare time, and soon her work started getting noticed in literary circles. Her writing was published in several national and international journals, and she was invited to participate in several literary festivals and events. On International Women's Day, Mehwish was invited to speak at a literary event in Karachi. She spoke about her journey, the challenges she faced, and the support she received from her parents and husband. Her message to the audience was clear: women should never give up on their dreams, and the support of their loved ones could make all the difference. Mehwish's story inspired many women in the audience, who shared their own stories of struggle and triumph. The event ended on a positive note, with Mehwish and the other speakers receiving a standing ovation from the crowd. As Mehwish left the event, she felt proud of herself and her accomplishments. She knew that her parents' support and encouragement had played a crucial role in her success. And on this International Women's Day, she was grateful for the opportunity she had been given and for the chance to inspire other women to follow their dreams.